Hello guys, hello. I want to show you how to make a McDonald's wrap that tastes like McDonald's wrap and everything like that. I remember making it, and no meat required. All right, so let me show you what I got here. Got the lettuce, got the obviously the tortilla there, got onions and all that. You got tomatoes and all that stuff. You can put pickles if you want. You know, I usually put pickles or relish, but you don't have to. Sorry, eating cranberry here, but okay. So the next thing you should do, cheese. You put cheese on this. You don't have to put a lot. You don't have to put. You could just, sprinkle. Just messing up my words here. Just sprinkle it. All right. Just show you how much I did put, so you guys won't, All right. And then the next step is this. This is what these two right here: barbecue sauce, spicy barbecue sauce, and Italian Island. These two are really going to give that taste of authentic of what the snack wrap tastes like in McDonald's. So you're gonna, and don't put a lot either. All right, it's a smooth process, people. So let me see. You go like this, just a bit across, go back a bit. You're done with that. So we go over here. Get the 1,000 Island. I love this dressing. Then we put some on that, and voila, we are ready to feast. All right, roll this up. Roll this up a bit. Now you can put anything you want. To be honest with you, as long as it has lettuce, tomatoes, and onions, and these two ingredients right here. You can put anything else, but as long as as long as you got those perfect ingredients, you're great. You're good. You're solid. You're golden. You don't even have to put the cheese if you don't want to. So, usually, sometimes when I make the wrap, not all the time, but when I do, I put it on the pan to make it nice and toasty for the cheese to melt. That is if you want to. I did that, and it's just... So, here we go. We're going to try this bite. That's just good. That's just good. The barbecue mixed with the the island, the 1,000 Island, really gives it that kick of being like, yo, this tastes like a McDonald's wrap. Holy shit. It's perfect. And look at that. Let me just show you that. So, give you a better lighting here. Alright. So that is my food tip for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Be refreshed and enjoy eating.